Hey guys, Beretta 9mm USA here, and the other half Beretta 9mm USA picked up 2 Glocks recently, and this is your second one. And what is this?
This is the Glock 23 Gen 4 40 caliber.
Now, is this your first Glock 23 Gen 4?
It is.
And what do you think the recoil is going to be like on this with the new Gen 4 guide rod system?
You know, it is less recoil than the Gen 3s or the Gen 2s, so if you're going to get a Glock in 40 caliber, I highly suggest the Gen 4. About 75% of what the Gen 3 recoil will be is what I'm anticipating.
So this is going to be the first shooting of this gun. We may also do a comparison or a versus video of this and the Walther PPQ M2 and 40 Smith & Wesson.
All right, let's shoot it.
So I missed once and then one went in the neck area, but that's not bad for the first time shooting it. Recoil is definitely manageable. Gonna go for some chest shots now. So I pulled one of my shots again, sort of anticipating the recoil. But other than that, they're all in there. It shoots pretty good. It's a 13+1 40 Smith & Wesson, so it carries one more round compared to the PPQ. Actually, no, 2 more rounds on the flush-fitting mag.
I'm looking forward to shooting it.
Yep.
There's young Beretta's group was shooting the Gen 4 Glock 23 in 40 caliber. Several misses.
Good job.
The recoil doesn't seem to bother me too much, but I think I missed one, at least one over there. But that's just moving and shooting, trying to do it at a quick pace. Glock 23 Gen 4.
I missed a few times.
I missed one-handed, left-handed.
But you got him 4 times in the chest.
Yeah. So this is weak-handed, left-handed. I'm a righty. And then over here was 2 hands together with the Glock 23. And lastly, here are the hits on the small 12-inch target. Again, this was 2-handed. So I mixed in 2-handed shooting with a one-handed, actually weak-handed, one-handed shooting for the center target. It was kind of fun.
Wow.
The recoil was there, but you controlled it well and
yeah, I
got some really good hits on that.
Every single time. That's nice. I definitely say this one over here is a little bit harder to hit. So yeah, you really have to concentrate with the smaller plate.
Four out of 5.
Good job.
Glock 23 Gen 4. Good pistol.
Beretta Senior's hits from 40 yards away. Walther PPQ and 40. I missed my first round because I jerked it, but after that, I hit pretty good. Look at that little grip right there.
Not bad,
It's
man.
like a line.